Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete YouTube videos in playlist. First of all, you can open the YouTube application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you will see the option playlist. Now tap on view all. You can just simply select the playlist that you want to remove the videos in a playlist. I can select this army preparation playlist, and here you can just simply now tap on the three dots that is next to the video, and here you can see the option remove from army preparation, and this is the way you can delete YouTube videos in a playlist. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.